property here, it's just heavily wooded. I mean, we have a little bit of section where the house is. Outside of that, I've got deep valleys, all kinds of brush. As I drop trees, I get a lot of down trees. So I get the chainsaw out, I make the cuts out there. The problem is I've been using like a Viking sled. I drag the sled down there, I hook up, throw the logs on, and I have to drag that stuff out. And I'm looking at this Trailblazer thing with tracks on it, and I'm like, wow, you gotta be kidding me. It looks to me like that thing's going down in the valley. It's gonna go over any of the obstacles that I'm gonna have on the property. It's gonna load up more than I'd ever pull with a sled, for sure. And with the track system, it's gonna walk its way basically back out, hauling all that I need to get back to my wood pile to split the wood. Well, basically this machine just took me to a spot in the property I will not normally go in the winter. Took it right up the hill. The tracks pulled me up the hill in probably 6 inches of wet snow. I'm not normally going to go back there unless I'm just going for a walk or a hike back there. I'm definitely not hauling anything up onto the sand hill, we call it. The track system is, I mean, it's rugged. You can feel it pulling. If it was wheels, we wouldn't have got anywhere up that hill. So. Easy to use, just simply hand brake, left, right. It runs like a tank.